Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through a quick but vital tutorial, how to move your design system to another file in Figma without breaking everything. Whether you're working on a big team project, handing off assets, or just keeping things organized, moving a fully functioning design system can seem intimidating. But it's actually pretty straightforward when you know what to do. By the end of this video, you'll have the confidence to relocate your Figma design system without causing any headaches or losing those crucial connections. Alright, let's dive right in. So imagine you have a carousel design file open in Figma. This could be a file packed with components, styles, and maybe even some prototype flows if you're working on interactive elements. And now, for whatever reason, maybe you're reorganizing your workspace or you want to hand off just the carousel to a coworker. You need to transfer this set of designs to a brand new Figma file. This process is actually much simpler than most people expect. To get started, the first step is to select all the elements in your carousel design file. You want to make sure you're grabbing everything you need, so take a quick scan to ensure every component, asset, and frame is selected. A tip here, you can either drag your cursor across everything or use the handy Select All shortcut, which is usually Ctrl+A or Command+A, depending on whether you're on Windows or Mac. Don't rush this part. If you leave something behind, it won't make the trip to the new file, so double-check, especially with hidden layers or locked elements. Sometimes they can get missed in the rush. Once you've got all the pieces selected, it's time to copy. You can press Ctrl+C or just right-click anywhere in the selection and choose Copy. Both methods work perfectly fine. If your design system is on the larger side, you may notice a slight pause as Figma processes everything you've asked to copy. Don't worry if it takes a few moments, it's just Figma making sure it's got all the details and connections. Now let's switch over to the destination file, the file where you want to move your design system. You'll need to have this new file open and ready to go. Once you're inside it, just use Ctrl+V or Command+V to paste. Alternatively, you can right-click and hit Paste. What's important here is that Figma does a really good job of keeping your components, instances, and styles intact as it moves them over. If you're using local components, this method ensures their relationships remain. But if you're relying on published libraries or shared assets, you might need an extra step to relink. But for most standard design systems, this copy-paste method works beautifully. With everything pasted, it's time to test and make sure your system is still behaving as expected. A good practice is to go into the prototype preview mode and run through your interactions or click through your carousel design. Make sure the buttons, links, and any animations still operate like they did before. Sometimes little glitches can sneak in, especially if you had prototypes or overrides, so test thoroughly just to be sure. Don't stress if something isn't working perfectly right away. It might just be a linking or asset reference you need to update. And that's it. You've successfully moved your entire design system to a new Figma file, safe and sound. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like. It really helps the channel out. If you have any questions or maybe other Figma challenges you want help with, drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow design workflows. Thanks for watching and happy designing.